Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share with you all how we celebrated Kedareswara Vratam on Diwali. This is also called Diwali Nomulu. This Kedareswara Vratam we can perform on the Kartika month on the Monday or on Diwali also. Performing Kedareswara Vratam in the Kartika Masam will bring more joy and prosperity, wealth and health to your family. Before puja, I decorated the place, that is northeast corner of the home, by the Lord Shiva's picture, and I already have this one. I arranged it with the help of push pins and also decorated with these malas. These beautiful flowers will bring the festive vibes and also they required for the puja. To keep the kalasam and make the puja, I took this peetham and decorated with turmeric and kumkum and also rangoli of padmam. I also kept all other required items before and decorated the nearby areas with these garlands and the lights. We made Ganesha with the turmeric and prayed Lord Ganesha. We need to pray Lord Ganesha before start of any puja to remove all the obstacles. We need to keep Lord Kedareswara Swami picture or Lord Shiva picture, and along with that we also kept Lakshmi idol to pray for Lakshmi Puja. So for the puja we started with the Sankalpam and we followed the book for the Kedareswara Vratakalpam by doing the Adhanga Puja, Ashtotra Satanama Puja, Adha Sutra Grandhi Puja and Vratakadha. And later we need to do the Tora Puja. At the time of puja, we will do Tora Puja. Whoever is doing puja, they should tie after the puja. This Toram will have 21 lines of thread and 21 knots. And we, at the time of puja, we will also bring out all the old Torams. This Kedareswara Puja, we need to offer betel leaves, 21 betel leaves along with the betel nuts, and one of them is with the turmeric and one of them is with the gandham. After puja, we need to offer 21 vadas and 21 arisa for Lord Kedareswara along with some other different prasadams like pulihora, payasam and fruits. For distribution of sweets, I made this laddu and also along with all other different varieties of prasadams. After puja, we need to offer prasadams to different people and get the blessings from them. Since it is a Diwali, I purchased all the candles and lights and also the gifts are ready to distribute. I made these water diyas with the water and oil and along with some plastic paper. It looks so beautiful. Since it is a Diwali evening, I bring out all the diyas and lit the candles and diyas and also decorated the home with these beautiful diyas along with some flowers. We also burst out some crackers in the evening with all the children together. I hope you enjoyed watching our Diwali celebrations along with Kedareswara Swami Vratam in Diwali Nomulu. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will meet you in another video. Bye.